Alright. Let's finish Chainsaw Man Tuesday with this. I love her. I love this reactor every Tuesday now after I watch Chainsaw Man. I'm watching her react to the episode. Her and Joey Nato later. I love Joey as well. Joey I watch on Patreon too. The full uncut reaction. God damn it, this fucking telephone. I can't pause the video. I cannot find the... It's so hard pressing the pause button. Anyway, I got a couple more slices of pizza. And also, it's hard, the fucking flashlight. I don't like this new phone. So I got this new phone because I broke the old one, but it was way easier to use the old one, which I think I'll get it fixed. Anyway, the Secret Santa came. The Secret Santa of the cinema. Thank you, Maria. Yeah, it was Maria. Although this is very nice and I appreciate it, but I need volume 6. You know? Look. And again, I cannot find the pause button. God damn it. Okay, look. So, this is my collection. Volume 1 with Denji. Volume 2 with Power. Volume 3 with Himeno. Rest in peace. Spoilers. Volume 4 with Aki. And Volume 5 with Denji fighting the Katana Man. And now I have Volume 8, which I don't know who this is. But thank you. And I also got a chocolate. A couple chocolates. Yeah. Maria has glasses. She was like, what else you got in there? You got a chocolate? Look, who else has glasses? Anyway, thank you, Maria, for the gift. I also have something. I also bought her something. She wasn't my Secret Santa. I got something, a colleague that I really don't like, but I also got something for Maria. I got her this, which I found one day. I know she is with Japanese, so... And also... cute pair of socks. With kitties. Yeah. Alright, let's go eat the pizza and watch the actual episode. I mean, I watched the episode, the reaction to the episode.